He coming home. He coming home. Yippee doo. Yippee doo.
I don't know if you guys gonna hear the singing, but this man is singing Yip Tee Doo. I'm gonna get my son. My son is coming home. I cannot. I just cannot. So we're rolling up at Joshua's school right about now. You guys heard the song this morning. If you know, you know. If you heard, you heard. But yeah, you heard the song this morning.
I never hear no song. What song?
Because you were the singer of the song.
What? Don't play.
They heard you. They heard you singing.
Don't play.
Now you're gonna pick up your son.
Don't even try that.
Ooh, I'm gonna pick up my son. So yeah, we're on the campus actually. Going to pick him up. Thank God for the end of another semester. Successful, safe, and all of those razzle dazzle stuff. So yeah, Josh the real coming home.
I don't know what she's talking about. I don't want him at the house. I really don't. I think he should just stay at school, get a job, get his own apartment, and start paying us parents' welfare.
The views expressed are not the views of One True Natural. It's not. Alright guys, so today we actually were on Josiah
Eats.
A popular YouTuber, right?
Well, he's on TikTok.
He's on TikTok, but
Yeah.
he doesn't have a channel.
I think he has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna search for him, but I found him on TikTok.
But he literally features food spots, specifically in South Florida.
In Florida generally, but more so South Florida.
Right. So we kind of tailored our search on his page to this area since we were coming to pick up Josh. And I came across Frans Chicken Haven. And that's where we're gonna roll up. Yeah, we're gonna roll up and check it out.
And it's been around since 1964.
Oh, 1960.
Fried chicken, yeah, fried chicken spot. And he said the fried chicken was the bomb, and he said to try the gizzard and liver.
He didn't have to tell us twice because we love some gizzards and livers.
Yeah, you hear him say gizzard and lizard.
Gizzard and lizard.
Gizzard and lizard. And guys, we have a special guest in the car. Hi.
Oh, cute, sir. Oh, I'm cute, sir. No, man. If cute was
my boy said hi.
If cute was a person.
All right, enough talk. Let's get into the lizard and gizzards.
Let's get it. Let's go. All right, guys. So we picked up Josh already, and we at this spot. It's called Frans Chicken Haven. A popular YouTuber recommended this as a must-try spot. It looks a little bit, you know, unassuming. Let me say unassuming. But
chicken is the best.
ooh, okay, it's just a small mom and pop spot, but I can smell the chicken immediately as I entered. What's the name of the guy that recommended it again?
Josiah.
Josh,
So we subscribe to Josiah.
Josh.
We're social media people.
Josh.
And he recommended this place, and so we said we had to come find it. And
yeah, awesome. So these are the they come with fries, coleslaw, and a roll. You can sub the fries for mash and gravy if you want for an extra. Chicken and waffles is very popular. Sandwiches, the Franwich is really popular.
right.
We have gizzards, liver.
Well, I'm right off the bat. I'm gonna need half pint of gizzards and half pint of liver. Right off the bat. That's not up for question. My wife won't question me. I will not answer. All right. Then now you take what you want.
I want breast and wing.
A breast and a wing?
The white has
You want to try it here?
Okay.
That's our signature
So
sauce.
you told him white?
Okay, that's their signature sauce. Frans Chicken Haven sauce.
You want the liver and the gizzards like separate, or you want them just mixed up together? Don't matter. We can mix them up.
It's all going the same place. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, so this is a wall of history featuring the original Fran. Yes, I believe that's her right here. Picture taken in 1964 of Fran. Yeah, so this is the original owner, you guys. 1964. This actual spot is old. I cannot believe this is actually older than me. But yeah, I got Frans. I saw, what did I see down there? A basketballer. My guy there.
That got it?
Yeah, that's Lamar Odom.
3 wings?
I don't know who that is.
Wow.
Wow, this looks good. This is Joshua's food, fries and chicken. And this is his lizards and gizzards. Joke, liver and gizzards. This look good, even. Let me try it.
Tastes good, man. Just fry it and spot, you know.
Salty.
Exactly. That's what I like.
Nice and succulent. And this is
No,
mine.
not suck nothing.
This is mine, you guys. Fried chicken with mash and whatnot. Yeah. It's all about. What is this? Buttery something? No idea.
Hot garlic.
That's a lot of hot garlic. For what? For the mash?
For dipping.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Oh, I think.
I'm camera.
The pig is off.
For real? I wonder for 2 serve. Even if you can say 2 servings.
I'm supposed to mix it.
Right.
I know so we mash up Lucifer. That chicken them mash up bad right now. Nice.
It's really good. It's really good. If you're in the Boca area, guys. Okay, on top of hold on.
Sleep now.
5 seconds later, I will literally massacre the food or tear it up. It was so good. Let me tell you something, Fran. Wherever you are in heaven or wherever, you must be smiling down at these people who have capably carried on your practice of frying chicken. This chicken was good. The chicken was juicy.
Not salty.
Not salty and crispy at the same. When you can get chicken to be juicy and crispy all at the same time, it's a win.
Yep.
It's not salty, but it's flavorful.
Yep.
You understand? So
and the sides was good.
I
You
like this.
understand?
Yeah.
Unpretentious. You never get no whole heap of fake. You know, the mashed potato was simply potato mash.
Right.
I don't even think they put mayonnaise in it.
Because let me tell you what you get these days. You get a whole lot of sodium filled or sodium related ingredients in your food, and so you don't even get to taste the real authentic taste of whatever you're eating. You're just eating seasonings. You understand me? But you can taste the authentic taste of the potato. The coleslaw was good to me. I've tasted his lizards and gizzards.
Tastes good now.
Gizzard and liver. And it was really, really good. Still also soft.
Yeah.
Don't ask me how them get it to be soft because the gizzard normally tough. So we're pretty pleased. So big up, shout out to women.
Fran.
No, the guy who
Oh, Josiah.
big up yourself.
Now I'm gonna run 15 miles. Get this grease off my stomach.
Yeah, Yardie Belly on the streets. Bringing these reviews.
For more streets eats.
For more streets eats one.
You know, log on by Yardie Belly TV.
Dial 1-800 Yardie.
Live and laugh, drive out and stop a road and eat.
Oh, let's get into these edges, guys. Side note, get into the edges. Okay.
So that's our review of Frans Chicken Haven in Boca Raton. Guys, the food is fresh, juicy, crispy. They have their own sauce. And overall, we were 100% pleased with the outcome. We are pleased with the way in which the chicken wasn't overly salty. We are pleased with the way in which the liver and well, I don't know if we got the liver, and I must say, but everything else was 100%. So if you are in Boca and you decide to run over to France, please make sure that you let them know Yardie Belly TV sent you and that we highly recommend the place. So get on out and get yourself some fried chicken from Frans. And of course, remember, live and laugh, cook, and make sure say you eat. Frans, yeah, eat Frans, no bother cook. Just go to Frans and get some chicken. And that me I tell you say, Yardie Belly TV, big up on yourself, and remember, it's always good, man, when you have some fried chicken in your stomach. Remember, me tell you.